happen to have today. For this, I'm using ground pork. You can use ground chicken. You can use veggie ground. You can use tofu. Works really well in this recipe. I use lower sodium soy sauce. Using some low sodium soy sauce for seasoning. Using a little 5-spice powder. I like the 5-spice blend because it's low sodium, has some nice mix, so it's got some complexity there, and it's not terribly expensive. I think I got this at a Wajimaya. Adding in some 3-pepper and onion blend for a little bit of extra veg. As someone who has to watch their sodium, I tend to season slightly throughout the process, but towards the end is really when I'm adjusting. Usually I have my own romaine hearts, but I'm out today, so I had to pick some up. I'm going to cut off probably around here. I think the leaves are big enough, and then I want to keep this bottom because I'm going to try to sprout it out a little bit. So I'll have this, and hopefully in a few days I'll get a few more sprouts of that and be able to kind of renew. And then you roll them up, and then you eat them.